innovative and imaginative, exceptionally experienced and gifted in conversations with children, young people, and families. Someone who believes in people and honours them. Someone who understands that problems are often societal in origin, and societal context always has a bearing on what people are dealing with in their lives and how they deal with it. Someone inspiring. Someone who brings humour and lightness to practice. And finally, someone who's more than a little bit mad in the very best possible ways. Long story short, and it is quite a story, I've had the remarkable luck of being supervised by David for the last 20 years. A short while after I began my supervision relationship with David, I went along to one of his workshops in Auckland. He played the legendary recording of his interview with a 10-year-old boy called Sebastian, who'd been detained by the state after he committed a violent crime. That day, the magic of David's narrative therapy captivated me. And that interview has served as my beacon and talisman ever since, guiding me to keep learning and keep practicing in search of that kind of magic. David's narrative therapy is an art form. If you're looking for a map or script, you will be disappointed. What I do promise you is something much richer, a voyage into the heart of David's inventiveness and an opening into your own creativity and therapeutic artistry.